Alright, what up guys? So, back with another video. I'm in the shop right now looking and trying to see what I want to rig up. But I do have an idea of what I want to rig up. I'm thinking, take this little bait right here. Just this little bait. And then I'm going to hook it up to, I was thinking just doing putting it on putting a little hook and then a drop weight. But you know, at that point it's not really going to work. I mean, so if anything, I'm just going to rig it up to this. It's got a spinner bait. It's got a little spoon on there, flasher. It's a little jig head. So I think I'm just gonna rig it up on here, maybe if it's not too small. Sadly, it is too small, so we'll probably put, I don't know, squid or a little grub on there. I think just put this little grub on there. Do it like that right there. I don't know, we'll see. Rig this up. I'm gonna take a few other baits just to, you know, have a selection. But alright, I'll get back with you when I get everything rigged up. Alright guys, so here's my tackle box, so y'all can kind of just, hold on, let me get this. You can kind of see my tackle box, so just like in the comments you can just like point out and say what you want to see more action, what you want to see me use more often. I got pencil baits and everything else in here, but I think I'm going to go after the smaller fish because I got to get them out of the pond. So if anything, I'm going to use some of these smaller baits that I got because I don't know, I might use a spoon. I might use one of these spoons. I don't know, it just all comes down to what I feel like, really. Or I might rig up a football jig with some with a crawdad. I think that's what I'll do. Alright, I'll get y'all back when everything's rigged up. Alright guys, so I went with a good old brown on brown and blue mixture. Doing pretty good with it. I mean, it's a little Googan Squad crawler with a football jig. And I'm gonna rig it up on, I don't know, I might do it on my bait caster. I do not know. Alright, well, I'll get back to y'all when we get down there. Alright guys, so I've decided on a little purple and green with the blue and brown. And a little, if you've seen my channel before, you know about this lure. It's really good. I like it because, I mean, it's decent. I mean, yes, you get good blow-ups on it. I mean, if you get a fish, it's got to be a decent-sized fish to eat this. Because, I mean, look at the size on that treble hook, dude. That treble's huge. But no, I like the Googan Squad. I like their stuff because they're actually a really good bait company. I mean, their lures are really good. I have about 2 or 3 of their lures, and they are awesome, dude. I mean, like, every time I take the lures out, I'm guaranteed at least 5 fish with them. Same with their soft plastics. I'm guaranteed at least 5 fish with their soft plastics. And I'm hoping that y'all get to see me hook up on some good fish right now. But you know, can't always have what we want. So I'm just hoping we get something. And if we don't, then you know, it ain't gonna be too bad if we don't. I mean, sure it'll be bad, but I mean it won't be too bad. I mean, one fish. Oh, the pond's low. One fish is better than none. That pond's low today, boys. It's like retreated a lot. Yeah, it's low. Wonder what that is. It's just gotten low today. Well, I think we'll start fishing. I've enjoyed the walk down. Well, time to see what we catch on this good reel. I love this reel. It's awesome. It is one of my favorite reels. It's not my favorite, it's one of my favorite reels. There we go. We're untangled. Sorry about that, guys. I had a tangle in my line. Oh. We ain't got nothing. Come on. Eat it up. I know y'all want to. Alright, well, I'll start recording when I get one or whatever. Alright, guys, well, so far, no luck, but, you know, I'm gonna keep going until I get one. And then I'll hopefully have it on video when I get it. If I don't, it won't be too bad. I'll hopefully get another one. But right now, all I'm doing is just, I was just like popping it every once in a while. But now, what I think I'm just going to do is just start reeling it. Just slow, constant reel. See how that does. I know I got a hit off camera. Right before I turned it on, I got a hit. So, hopefully, but I just missed it. I mean, I waited too long and I missed it. I don't know. I don't know if they're in for this right now, but, you know. But, you know, we'll see. We will see. If anything, I'll tie on that other lure I brought. The big, spinning. The rooster tail, big rooster tail. Yeah, I guess that's what you call them, rooster tail. Dude, there's all kinds of fish hitting behind me. Hitting top water right now. They're just right there behind me, dude. That's exactly where they are, just right there behind me. Hitting it, just like it's nothing. Alright, I think I might tie on that rooster tail. This ain't doing jack. Hold on, let me get it right up there on the bank. Pull it out and let's see how that goes. Got one. No! Freak, y'all saw that, did y'all not? Freaking had one and he let go. I probably have one. Got one. Heck yeah, buddy. Oh no, he let go. Dang it. I had one. Keyword had. Got one. No, y'all saw that. Y'all freaking saw that, did y'all not? Did y'all not see that? I had him. He came up and out of the water too. And that was just on the constant reel. He hit right here on the bank, dude. Hopefully he'll come back for it. Nah, he will. Watch. Just wait and see. Wait and see. And thank y'all guys for watching my shorts. I'm happy to see all the views. Very thankful for y'all. And all I need y'all to do now is just like and subscribe. That's all I want is just like and subscribe. That's all I need. Freak, dude, it's every time. I just need y'all to like and subscribe, and I'll be able to post a lot more. This is my, I think, second video this week I've posted. But it's just because I've been busy. I mean, I got stuff I gotta do in the morning. So I will come back down here later this evening and help myself to this fishing. Alright, I think it's about time we tie on the rooster tail. I'll give it a few more casts then. After that, I'll tie on the rooster tail. I'm really trying to get a fish for y'all guys, dude. Y'all think I should hit that turtle? Turtle's like just right. Oh, hit it. It's like right. Hold on, can y'all see it? Oh, he's like right somewhere in there. Can't really see him, but I might try and hit him. Just for the heck of it, you know? No, it is not considered animal cruelty. Because if I hit them on the back, they're not going to feel it. It's just their freaking shell. I don't know, guys. I might tell him a rooster tail. See if I have any more, but any better luck on that. Alright, I'll get back with y'all. I'll see y'all when I get ready, then you probably get a fish. Alright guys, got the little thing on, little rooster tail tied on. Cast it out, see if we get anything. And no, I do not have one just because my rod tip's bending that bad. It's just the weight of the rooster tail. That's all it is. We'll just cast it around, see if we get anything. I'm just really hoping we get something. Missed them. Yeah, we need that sun to come out so it plays. If that sun comes out, it'll be in my favor. The only way you can really tell if you got a fish with this lure is if your line starts going side to side. It's really about it. That's quite literally about it. That's quite literally the only way you can tell if you have a fish with this lure. Or at least that's with me. I don't know about y'all, if y'all have one or not, but you know. It's kind of how it's that's just how I tell. I mean, y'all might have y'all's other ways, but this is just my way. Well, guys, with the way it's looking, I don't think it's going to be a very successful day. I don't know, guys. It might not be a successful day today. Y'all might just have a video of, this video might come out, and it'll be just y'all, just me talking, no fish caught, well, one fish caught. That might be it. Should have freaking brought like a rattle trap or something. freak, they're hitting all over. Fixing to cast over here somewhere where the sun is continuously shining, which will be a lot bigger. I know, I'm good. Nothing, really? Nothing hit. What the world is going on with this pond? It's usually a lot more lively than this. You usually catch a lot more than this. That's just that. I mean, like that one. Heck yeah, buddy. And he let go. I gotta learn a hook set better. That's for sure. Yeah, I had one alright. Dude, there's no way he... How the freak did he escape that freaking big trouble? But I know somewhat where to cast, so... Launch that sucker all the way over there. Yeah, I ran out of line too, that's the thing. Oh, we've had 2 misses, so we're not doing too good so far. 2 misses, 0 catches. We're not doing too well. Not too well at all. You always do that, so that way, while you're doing all this, it has time to sink and yada yada. Get to the bottom and you can reel it up straight from the bottom. I think I'm going to cast a little over here. I mean, what can it hurt? Honestly. I wish I had a cricket, dude. One of my little cricket lures. Shoot, they'd be tearing it up, dude. Tell you that much right now. They would be absolutely killing it. Oh crap, what happened? Let me get something. You know what I want to catch? At some point in my life, I want to catch a muskie. That legitimately is what I want to catch. I don't care when. Just at some point in my life, I want to be able to catch a muskie. I want to go muskie fishing. Catch a huge muskie. That's what I want to catch. Guys, guess what? I'm hung up. And I broke off. And you can quite literally see it right there. Alright, well guys, I might come back down here, I don't know, but as of right now, this is all the video. This is all of the video I'm gonna post right now. Oh, I'll see y'all when we get back up there.